First open Start and type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Right-click your Discord process. Select End Task. Now close your Task Manager. Open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Click on Uninstall a program. Right-click Discord and select Uninstall. Now close your Control Panel. Open 7-zip. Press Download on the 64-bit version. Save the file. Double-click the installer. Press Yes. Press Install. Press Close. Right-click your Discord setup file. Select 7-zip. Select Extract Discord Setup. Open a folder and go to your C drive. Drag your Discord Setup folder into your C drive. Open your Discord Setup folder. Right-click the Discord file. Select 7-zip. Select Extract to Discord. Open the Discord full folder. Open the lib folder. Open the Net45 folder. Right-click your Discord file. Select Send to. Select Desktop. Close the folder. Now you can delete the installers. Now double-click your Discord shortcut. Now your problem should be fixed.